How can you engage your audience more effectively when you're giving a speech or presentation? Well, you can't do it if you are staring at a script, reading bullet points, looking at your computer, staring over people's heads and trying to remember a teleprompter in your brain. No, you can't engage your audience unless you can actually see them. You need to look at the expressions on their face. Do they look bored? Are they asleep? That means you're doing something wrong. Do they look concerned? Do they look confused? If so, say, hey, I think I've lost people here a minute. Tell me where I went wrong, and ask them. If they're laughing, you need to be aware of that too. Maybe tell another joke. Laugh more with them. Engagement starts by you really recognizing you're not the only person in the room. Too many speakers act like, I'm here, everyone's staring at me, and this is all about me. No, it's about your audience. If you see someone who looks like, they're confused, ask them what's on their mind. Ask them to ask you a question. That's the best way of engaging any audience. Then they'll know you cared.